Well, here we are in beautiful Houston, Texas at Ellington Field right here at Vietnam War Flight Museum. And of course, standing in front of the Collings Foundation's TA-4 Skyhawk. We're gonna do a run on it today and service it, and it's going to actually get flown to Meridian for the air show this weekend, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about this beautiful Antonov AN-2 that we finally got some good footage of the updated interior, and we can't wait to show you. This is just gonna be a little bit of a nice look through from the cockpit, through the cabin, and around the outside of the AN-2. Of course, we bought this thing out of Hungary. We had it ferried over to France, where our friends have done an amazing job putting this interior in. So we will eventually have a full video of what it looked like before, what it looked like going through the process, and of course what it looks like now. But for now, just take a look and tell us what you think about the finished product. Well, there you have it. As you can see, we've done a lot of work to it, and by we, I mean the guys in France have done a fantastic job. Thank you guys for all your hard work and really meticulous craftsmanship. But it looks really good. Of course, we have more we're going to do to it. We still got to get her over to the United States. We still we want to get her to Oshkosh this year. That's our big dream. We'll see. We're really hoping we can make it to Oshkosh. But before we do that, we got to get it to the United States, and we're still unsure exactly how we're going to do that. We're pretty sure we're probably just going to ship it over. But it also needs some avionics upgrades, some ADS-B and stuff like that. So stay tuned, and we'll give you some more updates as we have them for this beautiful AN-2. Thanks for watching.